back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you some makeup hacks which are super easy and practical, and these can be done using the stuff we find in our house. So without much ado, let's get started. Starting with the liner hack, the first trick is to use any card, apply some liner and stamp it to your outer corner, and here you get the perfect wing. Now for this step you can use any card or simply cut a square out of a drawing sheet, then join it to your lash line, fill it in and call it done. For creating that thick wing, use a bobby pin which is easily available at home. Coat the mouth of your bobby pin with some liquid liner and just stamp it to your outer corner. Join it to your lash line, fill it in, and you just need to trace your lash line for the rest of your liner. Just remember to make a thick line this time. And here is your perfectly thick wing liner. Next trick is to use a cello tape or a scotch tape and cut a stencil. Now you can make it as thick and thin as you want, and here's your stencil. Now just stick it to your outer corner and fill in the wing. And repeat the same steps, just trace your lash line for the rest of your liner. Now if your wing is not looking similar or sharp enough, just use some concealer on a flat shader brush and clean it up in a way that it looks sharp and similar. Then blend your concealer using your fingers, and here you get the perfectly matched wing liner. Now this hack will definitely save your 10 to 15 minutes if you're not good at putting on those lashes. Take some glue on a little brush, and no, we are not going to put it on the falsies, but we'll apply it as a liner on the eye. And this hack is especially for those who always spoil their eye makeup while putting on those falsies. And make sure you create a very sleek line. Wait for 5 seconds for the glue to get a little dry and put on your falsies. Guys, do let me know your favorite liner hack in the comments below. And this is the easiest and the quickest way to apply the falsies, because this hack not only just saves the time but also ensures that you do not spoil the eye makeup. Now if you've always struggled to contour that nose, simply use a U-shaped hairpin, apply some cream or liquid contour and place it on your nose with the U shape at the tip. Now just blend it out and you will get a perfectly contoured nose. And here's my before and after nose contour look. Now this is one hack that I always stick to because I like to overline my lips, and this always happens with me. So take some concealer on your little brush, conceal the mess you've created, blend it out, and you will get a nicely defined pout. So those were the makeup hacks, and I hope you find them useful and try them out, as they will definitely save your time. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.